everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous weekend. So we have a new box on our channel to open today, and I'm really excited because it is a jewelry subscription. And you guys know I've been loving jewelry lately, and it seems like you guys have too. So I love exploring the different options there are out there because you know there's a million subscription boxes, so it's fun to see what's worth it, what's not, just learn more about different companies and see what the jewelry looks like. So this one is called GemCrew, and this is the box it came in. I have not yet opened it. I have no idea what's inside. So whenever I get a new subscription box on this channel, I pull up their website so we can learn a little bit more about the company, get some pricing and all of that. Before we get started, I just wanted to quickly remind you guys that there are 4 giveaways going on our channel. I will leave all of the giveaway links down below. One of them is the big skincare giveaway you guys were asking for, so if you have not yet entered, definitely check those out. I will of course leave a link in the description box to this subscription like always, so yeah, whenever you're in need of any information, the description box is where I leave everything. So what is GemCrew? I already said it's a jewelry subscription. I just pulled up their website and it says open up for a box of sparkle. So it looks like they have 4 different subscription options, which is super awesome. I love when subscription boxes have different price points because we all have different budgets, different needs, all of that. So let's see. So the first one is called the Trinket Box, and it says each month receive 1 pair of plated fashion jewelry in our reusable GemCrew bag retailed at $14.99 or more, and you pay just $9.99 a month. The next tier up is the Glitz Box, and it says each month receive 2 pieces of plated fashion jewelry in our reusable GemCrew bag retailed at $19.99 or more, and you pay $14.99. And it looks like all of these have like, you get like a little bit of a discount if you purchase more months at a time, like many subscription boxes companies offer. The silver level box is $39.99, and you receive 1 to 2 pieces of sterling silver jewelry. And then the gold level box, you get jewelry with 14 karat white, rose, or yellow gold with a minimum retail value of $500, and that's $279.99. And I was shocked when I first read this morning. Usually I like try and poke the website and stuff, you know, like when I'm getting ready before I'm filming. And my jaw dropped. I was like, is this the most expensive subscription box I've ever received? Because the company told me that they sent me the gold level box, which says there's a retail value of $500. It's like actual 14 karat jewelry. So I pulled up their email just to double check. And it says that their gold level box actually contains 3 to 4 pieces of sterling silver or plated jewelry, and it varies month to month. So I'm not sure if like 1 piece comes with the 14 karat or what. So we'll have to see what is in here, but apparently this is the gold level box, which is the bougiest jewelry subscription I've ever heard of. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. So let's get started, let's unbox. So when I open it up, this is what I see. There's a card on top, this is GemCrew, and then shows some of the options on there, I guess, and then it says thank you, kitty. Let's see what is in here. I seriously have no idea what to expect. So there are some little bags that say GemCrew on it. So there isn't like a card that says pricing or anything like that. So we shall see. I guess like on this picture it shows that you get 2 gold level items and then some silver box items. Maybe that's what this means. So like if you get the silver box, this is what you will get. And it looks like this is like, in this bag there's leaf earrings, which I think are really cute. And then a leaf necklace. Looks like it got a little tingle during transit. Let me see if I can get this. Okay, yeah, I was able to untangle that really easily. So it looks like it is adjustable necklace. And let me get this out of the way so you can see what that looks like. I think this is cute. So what did they say the silver box is supposed to be? So these should be, it says, should be sterling silver. How do you know? I'm not sure, but it's really cute. It says Lucky You on it. I don't know if that is the brand or if it's just saying like lucky you get this cute jewelry. Alright, right, so that was in the first jewelry bag. Let's see what is in the second. Alright, so there are 3 rings and then a bracelet. I really don't think these are, what does it say, 14 karat? I think the description on their website's a little different. Like from what they sent me in the email, that makes way more sense to get 3 to 4 pieces of sterling silver or plated jewelry. That makes way more sense than the description on their website. So here is the bracelet. Let me put it on. It's can easily fit like anyone. So it's just like a basic like gemstone bracelet. It's cute. It looks nice. It feels nice. It's very comfortable. And then there's a set of 3 rings. Like, let's see. And these can all be like adjusted and fit on as well. Let me see what these look like. So, yeah, like in Mint Mongoose I wasn't able to get the rings on, but I was able to get this one on. And then, yeah, see how like it can open like this? I'll just put 2 on the same finger. So I stacked 2 of them. So these are cute. Definitely not $280 or like over $500 worth. So I have a feeling the website, that's not right because maybe I didn't get the actual gold level box because it says receive 1 piece of 14 karat gold, and I got 4 pieces, or I guess 5 pieces technically because I got 3 rings, set of earrings and a necklace. I think this would be more like the Glitz box or the silver level box. I don't know. I don't think I would pay more than the Glitz box for all of this. Because this doesn't seem like it would be worth more than $40 or anything like that. Like, it's definitely cute, but I'm just a little confused by the pricing and everything like that. So I know that it looks like this is a brand new website and a brand new company, but if this is the gold box, I don't think it's worth over $500, but I do think it is very cute. Like, I really do like that one ring with the like little flower on it. And I like the earrings too. I probably won't wear like the necklace and the earrings at the same time because I'm not like a super matchy person. But I do, I think I'll wear the earrings probably the most. So what do you guys think? I'm just confused that they told me this is a gold level box and then on their website, like they didn't give me any information on pricing or anything in the emails. But seeing that the gold level box says 14 karat, I don't think that's true. And it says with a minimum retail value of $500 and you pay $280. Like I definitely 100% wouldn't pay that. But if this is like the Glitz box, I think that is totally acceptable and cool. So yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? I'm gonna leave the website in the description box if you want to check it out and see for yourself. Like maybe I'm just misunderstanding or something like that, but it'd be nice if there was a sheet of paper or something that gave us more information on pricing. But it says, yeah, so there's silver level box items and gold level box. I don't think this is even worth silver level because $39.99, like, I'm pretty sure if something's sterling silver, it has to be like marked with something from what one of you guys have told me before. Because I think in Mint Mongoose there was like, it was actually sterling silver, like the stuff we got this month. And like, yeah, there's no way this is like, you know, like real diamonds or something like that. So I'm a little confused by the pricing, but I mean, I got this free for review, so I think it's cute, but I definitely would not pay the gold level pricing or even half or a quarter of it. I'd pay, like I said, the Glitz box pricing, so. This is interesting. Have you guys seen any other unboxings for this or what? I don't know. I'm confused, but maybe I'll email the company and just like see what the pricing is for this, because that would make things way more clear, because I do think everything is really cute and I think this is really fun to wear. I like it. I like never wear rings, but these are actually comfortable. So yeah, I just need some clarification, but otherwise I think it's cute, just all depending on what the price is of this. So yeah, interesting. But anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. Definitely enter my giveaways if you have not yet already. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great long weekend. Definitely let me know how you're doing. I know a lot of you guys had some fun plans. I hope there's good weather by where you are. It is super hot here, but that's like every day. So I don't even know why I'm stating that. Florida is just hot. But yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.